Bonjour, today I'm going to teach you how to do salad niçoise. Salad niçoise is very good when the weather is hot, because it's very refreshing and you can have that as your main meal. But first, I'm Olivier, and I'm professional chef in France and in UK. My channel, Elite Home Cook, are here to help you to gain confidence in your cooking. I teach you step by step how to do restaurant recipe in a simple way. So to do the salad niçoise, what you need is some French beans. French beans, you need to remove the ends and you leave like that. Baby potatoes. If the baby potatoes is bigger, you can cut it to have even sizes. A pepper, some tuna, two tomato because I'm going to do two salads. Some black olive, anchovy, olive oil, vinegar, and some salad, and some hard boiling eggs. So, if you don't know how to do hard boiling eggs, I leave the card there. You can click there. You have all recipe for the boiling eggs: hard, soft, and mole. Mole is in French. So, my eggs are cooked now. So I'm going to remove from the water and put it in the cold water to stop them to cook. Inside my hot water, I'm going to put some salt, because salt helps your French bean to stay green. If you have some bicarbonate of soda, you can put as well. Voila. After, we're going to put the potato in the cold water, because we always start potato in the cold water, because it's a white vegetable. Green vegetable is always in the boiling water, because if you put green vegetable in cold water, they're going to become white, but they're going to lose the green. To avoid to lose the green, you need to put in the hot water, boiling water. So I put my potato in my cold water, and I'm going to put the fire on my pan. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my pepper. So you just need to remove like that. I'm doing like that. There are plenty of methods to remove the middle. Voila, we don't need that, we keep that. We don't need that. You cut it in thin strap. Don't forget to protect your finger, like I'm doing now. I'm doing like that, you can't cut my finger. If I put my thumbs like that, I'm going to cut it, but it's beyond. So I'm going to finish to cook that, to prepare my peppers, to prepare my tomato. Tomato is just going to be in quarter. And I'm coming back in 5 minutes to show you how to present your plate. Don't forget, at the end, I have a surprise for you. So we are back now. All our ingredients are cooked. French beans are cooked, potato are cooked. All the rest, it doesn't need to cook. So when the French beans are almost cooked, you remove from the hot water and you plunge straight away to the cold water to stop cooking. Like that they keep nice and a little bit firm inside. Potatoes the same. When they are cooked, you put it down. I have an advice for you. If you want, you can cook your potato and your French beans the morning before, 2 hours before, 3 hours before. Like that, you leave them in the fridge and they were very cold for your cold salad. So it's a good idea to do that. So I put some salad inside this plate. I'm going to assemble. I'm going to start with some peppers. Going to put some potatoes. It's up to you how you want to decorate it. You put some French beans. It's very lovely because we have plenty of color. It came from the south in France, to be honest, so maybe it's for that. I'm going to put some tuna. So as you notice, I didn't put any kind of dressing so far. I'm going to put some tomato. I cut in quarter. I'm going to do the same, with the eggs. Hard-boiled egg, perfectly done as we want. If you want, you can cook a little bit less, like that the yellow is running a little bit. It's nice as well for the salad. And don't forget, you have the link below for all eggs, how to cook all eggs, all type of eggs. So you put your half eggs. After some anchovy, like that. Another one. And you finish with some black olive. Come back here. And for the dressing, you just need to use olive oil. So this kind of bottle is very useful when you're cooking. Cooking knife, bottle, you don't need a lot, but you need something to quality. So if you want to buy exactly what we have, what I use in my day-to-day when I cook, all the links are below as well. So just do some olive oil, nice. Little bit of vinegar, and your salad nicoise is done. Perfectly salad nicoise. So it's very easy to do. It looks amazing like a starter or a main meal, and it's cheap as well. Everything I'm doing is very cheap. So now I'm going to come back for your bonus. I'm going to show you how to do pain bagna, specialty of Nice. Nice, yes, specialty of Nice. It's a kind of sandwich with salad nicoise inside. So I'm back for your surprise now, your bonus things. For the same ingredient, you can do a second version. This is called the pain bagna. So I can't really call that a pain bagna because it's not really exact recipe, but it's very similar. So for that you need to have a roll. This one is all grain. You can take a white one, whatever you prefer. You slice in two, and you take your olive oil and you put on your bread. Pain bagna is difficult to eat, but it's lovely. So after we assemble with some salad, some pepper, exactly the same ingredient. Pepper, potato, a sliced potato in smallest sizes. French beans. I'm going to do some eggs. This time the eggs I slice it to put on my pain bagna. Like that. Little bit of tuna. Some anchovies. And to finish, final touch, 2 or 3 olive. You can put another slice of olive oil and put in back, and you have your pain bagna. So I hope you like it with one recipe, exactly the same ingredient. You can have two ways to eat it. This one is quite hard to eat on the street, so it's better to have a little bit plate under, but it's very good, very good. So as usual, if you like our video, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. That is very important for our channel. It's free for you, but it's important for us to become better in YouTube algorithm. So in the comment, post below. If you want me to explain you one kind of recipe you struggle with, put the link below. Say, oh, it's very difficult for me to do the bœuf bourguignon, or how you can manage to do a cassoulet or whatsoever. Put the recipe below, and I'm going to create a video for you to teach you how to do it step by step as I did for this one. So now, bon appétit et à la prochaine les amis. Bye.